Okay, so we are going to do DIY of Mr. Socko. So what you're going to do, you're going to get a plain white tube sock, preferably an old one with holes in it, so you don't miss it. Darken it so you can see it better. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna very carefully draw one big bubbly eye. Okay? And then you're gonna wanna give that eye an eyebrow. Kind of messed up. Actually doesn't look too bad. And what you can do is you're gonna grab another one. They don't look similar. So what you can do is you're gonna add some more to it. Look at that. It's perfect. Alright, now this is where you can mess up. You're going to want to do a yelling face. Because when you use Mr. Socko, he's yelling. So that's kind of the thing we wanted to incorporate into our Mr. Socko. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna give him a beard. See, to show that it is a Mr. and not a Mrs. Socko, which many people get wrong, is you gotta give him a beard. Now, if his beard goes into his mouth, that's okay. But, yeah. There's Mr. Socko. Now, you may be asking yourself, why do I need a Mr. Socko? You know, I can show you the many reasons why you might need a Mr. Socko. Alright, so he's there. Okay, so here's some ways you may use your Mr. Socko. Let's say an intruder breaks into your house. Let me sit down so I can demonstrate this better. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go right in his mouth, and you're gonna wanna pick up your intruder, and you're gonna slam him. Okay? You're gonna pick him up. You're gonna slam him. Alright. Now, we'll do it in slow motion and then we'll repeat it for it. And then you can do it to show that you understand how Mr. Socko works. Some other good reasons why you might need a Mr. Socko is, let's say, excuse me, I gotta get my supplies. Let's say your intruder makes you gives you some more trouble than you wanted, and you're gonna have to go for the extreme. Mr. Socko is really great with hiding fingerprints. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna, and now when the police come, they won't know that it was you. All they'll see is the fingerprints of Mr. Socko. Now, before you have a Mr. Socko, it is important that you also get slammed by Mr. Socko. Just like for pepper spray, it's the same thing. So what we're gonna do is this is what he does. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna set Mr. Socko in your mouth and you slap him. Have a nice day.